That is the rookie, Austin Fowler. And the lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Adam Cartwright's going to bring around the group. We're going to pick up speed. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Nice looking start there for the group as Josh Lundy and Adam Cartwright are going to battle for the lead right off the get-go. Got a battle for second between a pair of 99s as well. You got a Lumina and a Monte Carlo racing for the lead right now. Whoa, Cartwright got into the back of Lundy. Not sure what happened there. They're back at it side by side. No harm, no foul, though. Lundy with about a half a car lead. Oh, Adam Cartwright got a little loose there coming out of turn 4 as the rear end came around. And Josh Lundy may have got some space on him now, as Lundy is just about a car length ahead. Now he's a car length ahead. Here comes Justin Sellers to try to take advantage of Adam Cartwright as well, as he's starting to look to the outside of Cartwright, but Cartwright's not done. He's going to battle for the lead against Lundy. Whoa, Cartwright looked like he may have made contact with Lundy as the front end of that car started to go inside. We're now halfway into this 8-lap race. Justin Sellers trying to battle against Cartwright to get around him. Cartwright pulls away from him. As Johnny Robinson in the 99 just kind of sitting back there waiting for something to happen. Austin Fowler, the rookie, just kind of tailing back there, learning about his car. Justin Sellers now going to try the inside of the 42 Adam Cartwright. Here comes Sellers to challenge for that second spot. As they're real close here, coming out of turn 4, looks pretty good. Whoa, Adam Cartwright gives Josh Lundy a push, and Josh Lundy's up in the wall, and the yellow flag's out. Ah, that sucks. All right. So they're going to go ahead and tell the 42 of Adam Cartwright he's going to have to make a trip to the back of the longest line, as he understands that. He's on the inside. They're going to give Josh Lundy his spot back. Adam Cartwright admitting guilt there on that and said, yeah, that was me. So Josh Lundy's going to go back being your leader there. Right, we're going to find out right now with 2 laps to go. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. And they are now coming into the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. We're going to do it again. Josh Lundy setting the pace. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. We got 2 laps to go. Sellers trying. Oh, here comes Sellers. Here we go. We got a battle for the lead, fans. It's Sellers to try to pull away from Lundy. Robinson might go with them. White flag out. We got a battle. Who's it going to be? It looks like Josh Lundy with a bumper lead that time. Fowler moves to the inside to let Cartwright go around him. Sellers might be your new leader. This could be a photo finish at Rockford Speedway. Who's going to win this race? It's going to be a photo finish. Oh, Lundy got a little loose coming out at 4. And Justin Sellers gets the win. That was a good race. So, yeah, it looked like from what I saw there, Josh Lundy in turns 3, and then he looks like he got just a little loose, went a little high into 4, and when that happened, he lost momentum, and it gave the 99 of Justin Sellers the victory. But what a great race. Great battle between those 2 drivers there. Man, love that kind of racing. So once again, this driver is out of Carroll Stream, Illinois, driving the 99 S car. It's a 92 IROC Z Camaro, sponsored by Top Hat Logistical Solutions. Endless Performance, a special thanks to his dad, David Sellers. Rockford Speedway, I think he's getting out. Is he getting out? Yes, no? Thumbs up if he's getting out. He is. All right.